Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Skype. First of all, we have to download the Skype app. You can go to any web browser. Write there download Skype. Enter. See here it will show you so many options. So download Skype are free. Any option you can choose for downloading. Already I have downloaded, so I'll show you how to use that one. Now I'll search here Skype. Here open. So many things are there. Now I'll explain to you. This is first of all, this is the profile picture. If you want to change, so you can change it. If you want your picture, you should keep your picture. You can change your picture. Here picture. So I'm going to another picture. I'm changing to this one. Yes, this is done. This is, you can change your picture, profile picture. After that, these are, what are these things? First of all, chat. Chat, already this is selected, so already which chat I did, the conversation before I made, so those it will display here. How many second, how many, who made this one, so we can, and what is the name, see here, what is the name, here SKY, then other name. If you are not giving any name, it will show you meet now. Now, call means it will show you who are available in your Skype, means if any friend or any family member who downloaded Skype, then only you can call them. And contact also same, but see already I made this call, but see these are the contact list who have Skype and to whom I called, and contact means these are the people. Okay, these are the people who have Skype. One thing you have to remember, that Skype to Skype always it is free. Always it is free from Skype to Skype. Means if you are calling video call or voice call, it is free from free with Skype to Skype customer. But if you are a Skype user and other one is not Skype, so you have to pay some money. Either that means if you are calling through landline or calling to landline or any mobile phone, you have to pay some money. Only who have Skype user, who are the Skype user, they can use it properly freely. See here it is 0 because I am using only the Skype to Skype, so it is showing me 0 balance. But if I will use with others, it will cost me some money. See, if you want to sign out, you can sign out here. Now notification, if you plan some meeting and the meeting will be after 15 minutes or after 30 minutes, you can get a notification here. Okay, now no meeting is there, that's why no notification we are getting. After that, start a conversation. Now I am going to chat. Start a conversation. With whom you want to start a conversation, you can select. If I am selecting with this one, see, waiting for Sitan Zubair to accept the invitation. So we can call them. Now can you see here, only if they are available, then only they can take pick the call, otherwise they cannot pick the call. So when they are available, just before that, if you inform them, they can take the call. Now see here, only the voice is active, but the camera is not active because I disconnected the camera. So this is one way you can connect. Another way is that can you see here one meet now and new chat. New chat means if you want to make a group chat, or personally you want to send some message to other, or this is private conversation, you can do group chat. For new group chat, most of now in this situation we want to do group chat. That time we are using this one. For more than 2-3 people, if we want to use, we can use this group chat. So click that one, then write the group name. If I am writing the name as Skype only, Skype 3 I am giving, and this one, then it will ask me, so to whom you want to join. So I am joining here only one person, because the other maybe they are free or not. I am using this one. So now done. You can invite more. You can invite more people also. If one is not, after that you think no, another 2-3 I have to join, so I can join more people also. Now see, here also you can join the people, you can join here also. See, if I want to send some, see, can you see here 2 participants now? Already I am there and another participant I joined, so 2 participants are here. I can call them. See, I am calling to them. Now also this video is turned off. I turn off my video, but they can use. I can use the video also. See, he is my son. So I can see him. I can see him, and if I want to listen to him, see.
See, everyone glass lighting. So this is 4 colors: red, blue, green, and pink.
See, the children are doing like this. So if we want to mute, we can mute them also. So they cannot. We cannot listen their voice. Personally, we can mute and unmute also. And if we want to remove from call, we can remove from call also. See, this is disconnected. So we can do like this. This is one way. Another one way is meet now. If you want that, so no need to means you want to send one link, and through that link only anyone can join. Who have Skype, they can join from your link. So what you have to do, you have to go to meet now. Meet now, then in the meet now, already by default it will create one link, and we have to copy this one. Copy. So now the link is copied. What we have to do, we have to share this link to others. So how will share? Share invite option is there. So in the share invite option, we can copy the link. Already our link is copied. Again, if you want, you can copy. But after that, you can send through Gmail, Outlook mail, Skype contact. If only Skype contact you want to send this mail, means you can send. Otherwise, what nowadays mostly we are using WhatsApp to send messages. So I am using the WhatsApp. How already I copied that message. So I am going to my WhatsApp web, and I am selecting anyone, and I am clicking here, pasting the link here. After pasting, little bit after 1 second, you can see this join conversation Skype. After that, I am sending this one. Okay, now this is sent. So again I am going back to my WhatsApp. Already the message sent to the participant to whom you want to send. So now how to start a call? This start call option is here. You can start a call here. See, this is my profile picture. So if I am not on my video, it will show my profile picture only, this one. So if I want to now I am joining the call. So already they called me, so I am joining the call. Otherwise I can start the call. So see, already my son is there, and now so see, he is very okay, he is very excited. So again I am mute him. So now you can talk with them. And another thing I want to say, just when you are doing, you can do the chat also. If some children you want to say something, you want to mute them and you want to say something, then you can say just type hi, then the chat will, conversation will start. So this is then you can share the screen also. You can send some emoji also. Share screen means your screen they can see whatever you are doing in the screen, they can see the screen. So emoji also you can send to them. See, it is already gone there. So now more option, takes some incoming video, hold call, those things are there. So for beginners it is not so much needed. So now I am this is for end call. I want to end the call, means I can end the call. But now if you want to record your video, you can go to start recording and click on the start recording. It will record your video. You can check how many participants are there. See, 2 of 2. I connected 2, so 2 of 2 are there. Otherwise, if 1 is connected, 1 of 2 it will show. Okay. So these are the thing. I can disconnect also. And another thing I want to see, already one message came from other side, hello ma'am. So we can see the chat also. And another thing, if sometime we want to show some we want to send some attachment or files, that time what we'll do, can you see here, this is for file attachment. We can click there, and if any picture, see, I took some screenshot before only. I'm taking this one, so this one, and I can send them. Or if I want another photo also, so I can take another one and I can send that one. We can send our files to other also. So you can schedule a call also. How to schedule a call? You can go to date. So if today is 23, you can choose any calendar, this one. You can choose the date. If 23, okay, 24, which date you want, you can choose that one. Then the time is, see how the time you have to set. See, this is the hour, this is minute, and this is for AM and PM. So if I am taking one time, 1 o'clock, 1 and PM. So now this one. So alert 15 minutes before. If you want that alert method notification, it will come. So either 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour before it will. You can do that one. 15 minutes is good only. So I'm taking that one. And title, any title if you want to say, you can write the title, then send. Okay. Okay. Now send contact to that chat. You can send any contact name, any contact you can change and send that one. So you can do that one. And so first thing is how to share. The main thing is here the file sharing. Sometime we want to, if as a teacher, if we want to share our note copy or any files, that time you can send as a picture from gallery you can take, or screenshot you can take and send to students. Okay. this is the second method I said. First one is through call, second one how to meet through link, and the third one, the final and the very easiest one is who doesn't have any Skype, and there is a problem for downloading Skype in their mobile or in their PC. So that time what you should use, there is a very easy method is there. I'm just minimizing this one. Just check this link, https://www.skype.com free conference call. So if you copy this one, see, I'm copying this one and I'm pasting in any Chrome. See here, Chrome. See, I paste it here and I enter. So now this is the free host a conference call with just one link. So with without any Skype, without downloading any Skype also, we can host a meeting. So create a meeting. Now the meeting ID is here. This is the link. Again, whatever we did the previous time, that same thing only, we copied this link and share invite. Either you can Gmail it one, or again we can send through WhatsApp. Already my WhatsApp is on, so again I am sending through WhatsApp. See, after just yes, after 2 seconds, 1-2 seconds, again this join conversation it will come. So I am posting it. So when the participant, no need to who don't have Skype, they just only click on this link, so you can they can join. First of all, first thing is you have to tell them which time. If you are doing this one, before that you have to inform that, okay, I am joining this meeting at after 5 minutes or at time, just you have to inform them, then they can join this meeting at a time, same time. Before that you have to tell them, okay, 1 o'clock we'll do this meeting. After that you send, they can join in the 1 o'clock. So this is the things 3 way I explained how to use Skype. If you want to explain something to your student, that time you can take one whiteboard or any board, just set your camera properly, and after that right, I'm just drawing one circle and one triangle. See, we can explain. If we want to write something, we can write and explain. And if you want to blur your background, you can click it here, so it will look blur, and if you unblur, it will be like that. So these are the small things, and very easily you can explain so that student can understand. So this is very easy way, and this is for today. Thank you.